A damaged or missing reflector may seem like a small issue, but it can affect both the appearance of your vehicle and your safety on the road. The TYC Reflector Assembly 17516000 is designed as a direct replacement that restores the original look and function of your vehicle with minimal effort. From the moment it arrives, you can tell it is built to meet high-quality standards and fit exactly as intended. This reflector assembly is manufactured to match the original part in shape, size, and mounting points, ensuring a precise fit without modification. It installs securely in the factory location, helping maintain proper visibility and compliance with road safety requirements. Whether your original reflector was cracked, faded, or lost due to minor damage, this replacement offers a reliable and affordable solution. Installation is straightforward and does not require special tools or professional experience. A single screw secures the reflector in place, and the original mounting nut can be reused for the new assembly. Many users have successfully completed the replacement without removing additional parts, saving time and avoiding unnecessary labor. With a basic ratchet and a bit of patience, the job can often be done in minutes. Beyond ease of installation, this reflector assembly helps improve overall vehicle visibility, especially in low light conditions. A properly installed reflector ensures your vehicle is more noticeable to other drivers, adding an extra layer of safety during nighttime driving or poor weather. TYC is known for producing dependable automotive replacement parts that balance quality and value. This reflector assembly arrives as promised, fits perfectly, and performs exactly as expected. It is an ideal choice for drivers who want a quick fix that looks right and lasts. If you are looking for a simple way to restore your vehicle's exterior and improve safety without hassle, this TYC reflector assembly is a smart option. Click the link in the video description to check compatibility and order yours today, and subscribe to the channel to discover more practical automotive replacement parts and maintenance tips.